17 percentile points. One AI tutor, $9 a month. Khan Academy's Khanmigo is now inside over 500 U.S. school districts, and the first hard numbers are in. In India, 12 million rural students have no qualified teacher. AI platform Lead School is filling that chair. India's teacher shortage hits 40% in some states. Hiring cannot fix that in a decade. The AI already has. But America's National Education Association isn't celebrating. Their June 2026 brief warns something is quietly disappearing. Critical thinking, mentorship, project-based learning. Skills employers rank above technical knowledge, eroding as AI narrows the curriculum. Teachers aren't just worried about their jobs. They're worried about what school becomes when a screen sets the lesson plan. Stanford researchers found the real split. Wealthy districts use AI to supplement great teachers. Poor districts use it instead of them. The next 18 months of policy decisions will determine whether AI closes the education gap or permanently widens it. The question was never whether AI enters classrooms. It has. The question is who it serves. Think on that. This is for information only. Always verify with trusted sources.